Hey friends, how to install GIMP on Windows? First of all, open Chrome browser and simple type here GIMP download, and you can see the GIMP official website. Just click on it. Here you can see the GIMP directly download link. Simple click this option, and here you can see the I already download this file. So simple click on the exe file. So now you will see this pop up. So first option is install for me only recommended. Second option install for all user. If you have any multiple user on your computer, so simple select the second option. So in my case select the first option because only one user in my computer. Now minimize this window. Now simple click on install option and wait few minutes until finishing this process. So here you can see the complete the game setup wizard. Now you can launch your GIMP from here. So simple check this option launch GIMP and click this option. So now you can create your project from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.